channel. For today, I'm showing you guys how I transformed my ball ass head into this really cute shaved sides box braid sort of look. I got this inspiration from someone named Josh Sharice. I'll tag her page below. We did use similar methods, but mine just a little bit different. So please stay tuned if you're interested in seeing how I got this look.
To get started, I used a braid mesh cap for my base with a nude stocking cap on top. In the original video that I told you guys I pulled my inspiration from, she used a stocking cap for her base. If you decide to do it, whichever one you decide to use, just make sure that you are using a stocking cap with the mesh cap for stability's sake. Now with that mesh cap, I am taking hair, braiding hair, in equal pieces and crocheting it onto each corner of the braid mesh cap. Well, not each corner, because that would be a hell of a lot of hair, but just throughout the wig cap. You get the point. I'm crocheting the hair. Another note, because I want my sides exposed, I am crocheting the hair around the mesh cap in a U-shaped pattern. There is a guide on the cap. I wish I showed it to you guys before I started this. So yeah, I just went ahead and followed that U-shaped guide on my mesh cap. For the braids, I go ahead and crochet a bunch of those loose pieces of braiding hair throughout the cap, and then I'm gonna just take 3 pieces of hair and braid those together. Like I said, I just take 3 pieces, 3 of the closest pieces, and braid down the hair like so. Here is the wig after I cut out that U-shaped pattern and dipped the braids in boiling hot water. I did curl a few of my ends, as you can see, with perm rods. Now I'm ready to secure this to my head. So I am using hair glue for this process. Yeah, I did use a lot of glue. And if you don't know how to remove glue from your hair properly, I would not use that much glue. A thin line around the perimeter will do. And here I am spraying my head with some Got2b, just to add a little bit extra security so this thing do not slip off my head. And yeah, just placing that on my head in the middle like so. Once I have that secured to my head in place where I want it to be, just taking my blow dryer, making sure that it is snug and secure. And now I am cutting off the extra pieces of cap. So the front piece of cap right there, and then I'm going to go along the side and get any small raggedy pieces of mesh cap hanging off. I'm going to blow dry one last time for the sake of this wig staying on my head. And that is it before I step off camera. Make sure I didn't miss any spots and get my face together. I will be back.
All right, y'all, so this is the final look. It's not that heavy. I used about 6 packs of hair. I'll include a link in the description box below. I got mine from my local beauty supply store, but I will give you a link. I'm trying to think what other tips I have. If you're going to try this, make sure the braids on the side that you're going to show are crocheted very, very close together so you don't see the cap. Unless you have dark hair, then I guess it wouldn't matter, but yeah. I think that is it for today. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your other bald head friends, and I will see you later.
Yesterday